Machiegni kendo nyakwa Ramogi bang' wuok ywe wadhi nyime gi weche manyien. Ogai mar Doho Martha Koome osidho ayanga doho manyien ma Kombewa kaka ondamo mar keto chenro mag doho machiegni gi jopiny. Koome okwayo jotelo kod jokanyo mondo osire lwedo e neno ni doho no obiro konyo jopiny maonge mibadhi. Bende owacho ni yawo doho ma Kombewa biro konyo e tero machiegni chenro mag doho gi jopiny e sub-county Maseme ma jopiny yande chuno ni nyaka chop e alwora ma Maseno eka giyud ratiro. Gavana ma Kisumu kod jotelo mamoko osingo ni gitiyo kanyakla kod ogai mar doho e neno ni chenro mag chwalo ratiro chopo ne jopiny kaka owinjore.
If the law has said we must have 290 courts in all the sub-counties, we should have them, and we are keen to ensure that justice is not confined to the privileged. In this court, our 143rd court, our lastborn, this is going to be a court of excellence where there will be no corruption, there will be no facilitation, there will be no hand-to-hand, there will be no conflict of interest. It will be pure justice that flows. Therefore, take this opportunity to call upon readers in constituencies where we do not have magistrates' courts to join hands and help us achieve this dream.
County government will continue to play our part in improving infrastructure within Seme and across the county, fostering an environment where judicial officers can discharge their duties effectively and citizens can access these services without undue hardship. We are keen to collaborate on initiatives that support the administration of justice, including alternative dispute resolution mechanisms that complement the formal court system.